Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we've got another unboxing, viewing and testing of this Livarno Lux 24 watt LED outdoor light. Robust aluminium housing and glass cover, adjustable twilight sensor, uses up to 8% less energy, approximately is 2000 lumen and total power is 24 watts. 3 years warranty from needed. Pivoting motion detector, approximately is 180 degrees, approximately is 110 degrees the sensor, and it is about 12 meters, and approximately is 10 seconds to 7 minutes the timer that you can set up. You can see some specs here and here. Nice. Let's have a see what we have inside. No. Okay. Some including screws and mounted to the wall. A manual of course, and if you want to read it is your choice. And here are the connections to connect your power to your outdoor lighting. You can see the LEDs inside. Okay, we've got 28 LEDs. Here's the sensor, night and day, the sensitivity of the sensor, and the time you can adjust them. And here you can mount it wherever is suitable for you. And here you can adjust the sensor where it can sense the motion. For working outside, it can work minus 21 Celsius, and the lifespan of the LEDs is 30,000 hours. And the color temperature is 5000 K natural white. And you can compare this lighting to a 120 watt halogen bulb. That is very energy saving. It is very suitable for outdoor, for your garden, outside of your house, to your main door. On the surroundings of your house, you can light all your areas of your house and prevent any thieves to come to your house. Well guys, that was all about this Livarno Lux 24 watt LED outdoor light, and I'm sure it will be very illuminated outside. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice lovely day. Bye bye.